Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your operating system and version because the method depends on it. Once done, choose a remapping utility that matches your needs. Power Toys for Windows, Carabiner Elements for Mac OS, or SexMap for Linux. Built-in keyboard settings also work for simple swaps. Make sure to back up your current layout or export your config first so you can undo changes. This prevents accidental lockouts and saves time if you need to revert immediately. You now define precise mappings. Pick source and destination keys, including modifiers and combos, because ambiguous choices cause conflicts. Then create entries in your tool, GUI fields, or a JSON/plist file and apply them. Test immediately in a text editor or terminal to confirm behavior. If keys conflict, adjust priority or add conditions. Once satisfied, save and enable persistence so changes survive reboots, or opt for session only if you're experimenting. You finish by validating the remap in the apps you use most, because some programs override system mappings. Make the config permanent and reboot to confirm persistence. If mappings disappear, reapply the saved profile or reinstall the utility and ensure it launches at startup. Troubleshoot. Check keyboard drivers, update the OS, and confirm accessibility or input permissions for the remapping app. If keys become unresponsive, restore your backup to return to a known working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.